In order to start a video call, what you can do is in Google Hangouts, you can click on video call, just like this. So what happens when you do that is that the video call window pops up, and then you can invite the people who you want to video call with. So let's say I'm going to invite my second channel right here into the video call, and I'm going to click on invite. Once I do that, the other user will get a notification right over here, just like this, and their computer will ring and they'll have to answer this out. Once they answer, they have the same window opened up over there on the other side, and then you can see that this is how the video call looks like. So I'm using the same computer so you can see the same footage right here, but this is what you will look like and this is what the other user will look like. If you want to turn off the video, simply click on the video icon right here, and then you can see that your video is not visible anymore. Let me go on to the other side right here and then disable their video as well. So this is how you can just have a voice conversation as well. If you want to add in more people to the conversation, you can click over here and then just go around and then add them in over here as well. So you can mute your side of the microphone by using this one, and then whatever you speak will not be sent to the other user. And similarly, when you want to end out the conversation, you could simply click on this icon right over here. If you want to start a video call by going on to the chat box, then you can go over here. So now over here on the top, you can see that there's a video call icon. So you can start a video call by clicking on this video call button as well. So what happens is that you don't have to invite someone manually when you do that, and the other user will get an invite just like this, as you can see on their chat window itself, and they'll have to answer so that they can talk with you just like that. And that is how the video call actually works like in Google Hangouts. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.